Hi, I'm Sue Katz. I'm one of the founders of Amazing Cosmetics. I'd like to show you how I disguise some of my under eye puffiness with our Amazing Cosmetics Color Corrector. I'm going to use the peach side for under my eyes, and I'm going to show you later on what I do with the yellow. So I like to take the peach color corrector and I like to tap some on, and I like to kind of fill in. So go down that line that you see from the shadow and fill in a little bit, and then use your finger to pat it in. So just lightly pat that in, and then I'm going to use my Amazing Concealer. I have the dark beige color, that's my summer color. Put a tiny pin dot on the back of my finger, and I'm going to pat over the color corrector, and I love the moisturizing finish that it gives me under my eye. Now I'm going to use the other side, the yellow, to show you how I disguise some of my marionette lines. A little reddy here too, so take the yellow and just follow down the marionette line. And that's just going to minimize the depth of the line. This product is a cream, so it moves with your skin. So it's not going to sit on top, it's not going to show. Take my Amazing Concealer, again, a teeny tiny amount. I'm going to pat over the color corrector, and pat it in, and that minimizes the depth of my marionette line. Look at the difference.